From a training perspective, NFPA 70E requires training either A, minimum every 3 years. However, there are exceptions inside the standards. So if you have new equipment in your facility, or you have an updated arc flash study, those would be changes to your system that could potentially change how much PPE a person wears or what PPE they're wearing. So in those instances, you need to have retraining every time that occurs, but the minimum is every 3 years. If you have any questions, make sure you reach out to your ErieTec representative. They can sit down with you, really hone in on what your needs are, what you need for your facility and for your employees, and then they can work with us at Eaton to make sure we can provide those services.